In this video today we're going to be making some basic drop earrings similar to these here, using some large glass beads and some smaller round glass beads, head pins and earring hooks there. Tools, we have round nose pliers, flat nose pliers and mini side cutting pliers. First of all, you're going to thread your beads on the order that you want them to be on. That's my order of the beads. And now at the top here, the maximum I want on here is a centimetre excess. I'm going to chop off anything above a centimetre with my mini side cutting pliers. There we go. And now we're going to make a loop just at the top there. So you take your round nose pliers, place them in between, and you just want to be able to just about feel the wire at the top there. And then you're going to hold this hand still, and the pliers, hand with the pliers, you're going to roll away from yourself. Just roll away. You see, like that. Then you go back in again. Then continue rolling until the loop meets back on itself. So place our pliers in, and we're going to take back like that. It's got the loop there, and then we're going to attach our earring hook in there. So it's just going to catch in that little gap that we have there. If you don't have a gap, don't worry. All you do is take your flat nose pliers and then just tip your pliers toward yourself so you've got a bit of a gap. Catch your loop through. You're going to turn the pliers away from you now to close that up. And that's it, that's your loop made. On to the next one. There we go, and there are your earrings finished.